What's going on? In today's video, we're going to write our first actual program in Python. This program is commonly known among developers as FizzBuzz. Now, the way FizzBuzz works is we're going to enter in a number. If that number is divisible by 3 with no remainder, we are going to print out fizz. If it's divisible by 5 with no remainder, we're going to print out buzz. And if it's divisible by both, we are going to print out FizzBuzz. Now, if the number is not divisible by 3 or 5, we are just going to print out the number. So let's get right into it. So let's say I enter in 5. The result should be buzz. Let's see. And it is. Now if we run this again and we enter in, let's say 9, which is divisible by 3 but not 5, we get fizz. So now if we enter in a number like 15, it should print out FizzBuzz. Let's see. And it does. So I'm going to give you a moment to pause the video and see if you can write this out for yourself, and then we'll step through how I did it. Alright, so I hope that you paused the video and tried to write the program yourself. So let's see how it was done. So we first take in a number, and this number is casted to an integer, and then it's an input, and we say enter your number. Notice how we have this space after it so that it's not all clumped together. So now we're going to say if the number divisible by 3 equals 0 and the number divisible by 5 equals 0, we are going to print out FizzBuzz. Otherwise, if the number is divisible by 3 and equals 0, we're going to print out fizz. Otherwise, if the number is divisible by 5 and equals 0, we're going to print out buzz. Otherwise, we're just going to print out the number. I hope you were able to get this. If not, I hope you learned a thing or two from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.